Namaskaram and welcome, my lovely viewers, to yet another episode of Varamahalakshmi. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven saris. We started in 2012 and now we have 17 stores all over South India. Be it the quality, design or price, we have the best for all our lovely customers. So what are you waiting for? Visit us today and see our beautiful collection, just like the one I am going to show you. Today we are going to see a beautiful collection of Kanchipattu saris. Let's start with the one I am wearing. This is a beautiful lemon yellow and orange colored sari. Let's go up close. The body of the sari has beautiful floral jal. You can see how nice and breathtaking this work is. Moving on to the border of the sari. The border is again in lemon yellow color. It has floral jal work in lines. The lines have small floral buttis. Moving on to the pallu. We have a bright orange colored pallu with the sari. You can see how beautiful the silver zari work looks. We have floral jal with peacocks in the pallu with floral buttis in checks. The silver zari work and the orange is looking so beautiful together. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Look at how beautiful the colors are looking. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to a WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have global courier services available and cash on delivery is available only in Hyderabad. This is such an elegant white colored sari. Look at how beautiful the sari is looking. Let's see this sari up close. The body of the sari has silver zari work. The white and the silver is going so well together. We have floral buttis and huge paisley buttis. Let's move on to the border. We have again silver zari work on the white border. We have diamond buttis in lines with small floral buttis. This is the pallu with this beautiful sari. Look at how grand this pallu is looking with the silver zari work. We have leaf buttis, paisley buttis and beautiful floral zari work all over the pallu. This is the blouse piece with the sari. It is again in the color white. This whole sari together looks so elegant. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have our stores in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So you can visit us and see a beautiful collection in person. Look at this rich navy blue colored sari. This sari is making me look so elegant and so will you. Let's see the sari up close. The body of the sari has all over floral jal in silver zari work. Moving on to the border. The border has floral buttis and peacock buttis in boxes and crisscross lines in silver zari work. Look at the color of this beautiful pallu. The sea green is going so well with the navy blue. The silver zari work has leaf buttis all over the pallu with floral buttis in the end. With this navy blue colored sari, we have this beautiful sea green blouse. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. You can also place an order by clicking in the link in the description box below. You'll be guided to our website from where you can place an order. Look at this beautiful and unique bottle green colored sari. Let's see this beautiful sari up close. The body of the sari has copper and silver zari work in floral buttis, small beautiful buttis, and in the end you can see this beautiful large paisley buttis with leaf and floral work in copper and gold zari with beautiful middle work. Moving on to the border of the sari, we have this beautiful golden zari work with small temples, line work and peacock buttis in boxes. This is the pallu with the sari. Beautiful large peacock buttis and lines in the middle. The golden zari work is going so well with the red. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Look at how nice the red and the bottle green are looking. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. You can also book an appointment with us and we'll contact you on WhatsApp video call. We'll show you our beautiful collections and you can place an order at the comfort of your homes. Look at this beautiful steel grey colored sari. The work and the color is so mesmerizing and radiant. Let's see this beautiful sari up close. The body of the sari has all over floral buttees in silver zari. Beautiful silver work. The steel grey and silver are going so good together. Let's see the beautiful border for this sari. The border is again steel grey with silver zari work. We have floral buttees and square shape in lines and boxes. This is the pallu for the sari. Look at the beautiful silver zari work. We have large floral buttees and smaller floral buttees in boxes. This is the blouse piece with the sari. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have our stores in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, so you can visit us and see our collections in person. Look at this beautiful and rich emerald green color sari. Let's see the sari up close. We have a body of copper zari work with floral jal with birds. Moving on to the border, we have these nice peacock buttees with kaddi border. Then we have elephant and peacock buttees within this beautiful floral work. This is the pallu for the sari, a beautiful, nice, vibrant parrot green with copper zari work. I'm loving how the colors are going together. We have beautiful copper zari work with paisley's floral jal and beautiful big floral buttees. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Look at how nice and vibrant the parrot green is looking. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have global courier services available and cash on delivery is available only in Hyderabad. Look at this beautiful pink colored sari. This is making me look so vibrant and so will you. Let's see the sari up close. We have a beautiful floral jal work all over the body in silver zari. Look how nice and intricate this work is. Moving on to the border, we have huge peacock buttees in floral work. With that, we have a kaddi design and floral jal work. See how beautifully the border is transitioning, and the copper zari work is looking so nice with the pink color. The pallu of the sari is in dark blue colored with silver zari work. We have huge peacock buttees in the corners and silver zari work in the middle. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Look at how beautiful these two colors are going together. To place an order for this beautiful sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Do remember to follow us on our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Kanchi VML Silks to stay updated with our collections. We have global courier services available and cash on delivery is available only in Hyderabad. Our stores are in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So you can visit us for some in-store shopping and see our beautiful collections in person. There are two ways to place an order with us. 1. Take a screenshot of your favorite sari. Send it to WhatsApp number 8900010002. The other way is that you click on the link in the description box below. You'll be guided to your favorite sari on our website and you can place an order. You can book an appointment with us and we will contact you on WhatsApp video call. We'll show you our beautiful collections and you can place an order at the comfort of your homes. Do follow us on our social media platforms that are Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Kanchi VML Silks to stay updated with our beautiful collections. Thank you so much for viewing today's episode. I'll see you again with more collections. Namaskar.